be
has your
good.
camera on? Dude, yeah, your
Let me get my
screen
cam
is
on.
like so black. Oh, perfect.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, how do you like the edit?
Dude, the edit was sick. The edit was actually sick.
Bro, what the frick? This is so wrong.
Guess we're just guess we're just open. Dang, bro, what happened? What happened during or wait, no, that's just end of mark or end of day, right? At 15 hours. That pump, that 15-minute pump.
Wait, is that the one I sent you?
Um, yeah, I think so.
Dude, frick that. That was
That
shortened.
must have been yeah, that must have been end of New York yesterday then.
Fix this thumbnail. Dude, I need to be set it. I need to be like ready to go. Streaming and that stuff by 6:15. To be like ready.
Yeah, that's still pretty early.
Hey, not for you.
Not by my standards, man.
Yeah, that's late for you. Maybe
That's
it's
so
late for
late.
me even.
Dude, if I didn't have like if I wasn't in school still, honestly, this would be chill.
Dude,
But
that's
it's
why
like
like it's kind of chill. It's
yeah,
super chill
dude,
for me.
bro, it feels like it feels like I'm going through the ringer. Like it feels like I'm like back in my mission right now. Like every day is just a grind. Like, dude.
Dude, yeah, it just sounds like you like wake up and just keep your head down all day.
Yeah, like pretty much. But it's like a good grind. It's just like getting up for market open just adds so much of a factor of just like gonna make you feel like you're so tired, right? Because like you have to sacrifice so much sleep.
Yeah.
Wonder what we get
What?
here. Bro, this is pretty crazy strength. Makes sense though, because we took out those lows. We took out those November lows. Got news at 10.
What? How important?
High impact. It's home sales, but I don't know. I feel like that one's, man, it's still red folder, I think, but
Alright, I'm just cooked.
are you in?
I shorted top. I don't know if I got stopped out. I shorted at 56. But this account, I'm like down already from last night. So I'm
Yeah.
just about like break even.
Yeah. Also, I think I might be a little louder than you on your own stream, by the way. I don't know
Oh
if
yeah,
you can change your mic if you want to, but
that's true. I gotta fix that. You think we just break past this or long?
I feel like,
Holy crap.
yeah, I feel like I just gotta wait for dude, honestly, might have to wait till 10 a.m., bro. I don't know.
Yeah, for that little orb. Set its day.
And then we get this news too.
Alright, is this louder? How about
Let me see.
now?
I can tell you on your that's louder for me, yeah, but on your own stream, I can
Are you on it right now?
I'm on your stream, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if
I'll
you're
do a
louder or
test.
not.
小声啊，中国现在我有冰淇淋。
Oh yeah, I think you are louder. Yeah, you sound
你好吗
good now.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah, you're solid.
Alright, good stuff. Now let's add the robot.
Bro, ever since I got this Mac update, my MacBook been scrolling so laggy.
That's what my Windows, boy.
That's why you're on Windows.
Yeah. You don't have a PC there, huh?
No, um I just got a MacBook. I just connect it to a monitor though.
Do you have an ultra wide?
No, I just got like a little portable monitor. It's pretty
Little
chill
portable
actually.
at one?
Yeah. It's pretty chill though. It's like small. It's like 20 or sorry, it's like 16 inches. But
The heck? It's like a little iPad?
yeah, it's like a little iPad.
That's chill.
All right.
Dump.
We just running that accumulation right now.
Yeah. Looks like we might tank though. Oh, perfect. You think I should have a separate screen for like my trade C, or she, or do you think I should have the small P&L or just tab from Eigenstate to it when I make trades?
Because you're saying you have like two different account like type of accounts.
Yeah. Well, I'll mainly just be trading one, but like I wonder if I should switch up the stream layout or if it's good, you think?
I think it would be cool. It could be cool to have your like the bot and like an actual screen for your like platform.
Okay, yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. I gotta like mask a bunch of stuff then.
Or like yeah, like show your trading view like where you're in the position.
Yeah, because I would kind of like wish I had the positions shown.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's get dumpy. All right, I don't think we're dropping.
We're getting dumpy. Yeah, this PA is just we're just waiting.
Oh my, this is so stupid.
You gonna do the thing where you show like your P&L, or is that just gonna show on the thing on the actual screen on the actual? tab.
Yeah, I'm gonna set up like, or no, I'm gonna do a under again because I feel like that's nice.
Yeah. Dude, if we could get that low taken at 24, that that low taken at 20 hours EST, or at, in other words, at level 24,833. I would love to see that, us trade down into that and then go higher. That would be so peak.
That'd be juicy.
But if we don't, I think obviously the like the target. Oh wait, let me see. I think price wants to go to. Obviously, price wants to go higher.
Bro, where is it? Sorry, I'm trying to make. I'm gonna make the stream so much better.
Here, I'll share my screen with you too, just if you ever want it.
Dude, should I try out both of ours? Wait, but now your face is small.
Oh shoot.
Can I watch your... Wait, I just see your Discord. I don't know if you're
Um,
streaming your app.
Wait. Oh, okay, okay. So it's showing. That's weird. Dude, my thing's bugging.
We could just do like normal for now because
Okay.
I gotta figure that out off stream for tomorrow. Bro, why is the opacity on my camera? This is honestly good because this PA is so chopped, by the way. I gotta make our cameras like good for like shorts editing, you know? Like little box cameras.
Little boxes.
Yeah. Dude, this is clean. This is sick. And then I'll get like the P&L in between us
I vibe with that.
or something. Something goofy. Keep the eigenstate in there. Oh yeah, I was on a call with them last night. I'm excited for this new model.
They're pushing out a new model.
Yeah, just refining opening V2, which I'm using right now. Yeah, I mean it called a short. It top ticked this short. And it bottom ticked this long, bro. I wish I saw this. It called that long at 960. And then called the short at 55. So, caught 100 points just now if I was actually prepared.
What's what does OV2 mean? Or what is the O?
Just cause like it's best to use for opening. They say it's best
Mm,
like the first couple hours of market open.
yeah, that makes sense. Well, looks like we're not getting any real move until 10.
Yeah, this is good. Alright. I gotta whip up a post. Might even go make coffee, bro. This is the P&L on my chopped eval. I'm down 400 on it.
Bro, I'm gonna be the first one out in the water today. I can tell you that.
Is it like sus being the only one out? Or you've moved past that? You know what
Uh,
I mean?
I'm usually never the only one out on North Shore, but if I go early enough, maybe I would be. But I feel way less sus there than like over on for where I live.
Really? Once this calls along, I'm out.
Well, I'm tired.
I'm out.
Did you take a little short?
Yeah, just something to recover my losses from last night.
You trade London again?
Yeah. I might do a small long. Keep the risk
Dude, I'm
small.
part of me. Wait, what time do you usually like? What time do you usually trade London at? Like right at London Open?
Uh, I wish there was like more of a science to it. Holy cow. It's just like later in the night, I'll be looking at my screen, and if I see a good setup, I'll take it. But most of the time, it's not a good setup, and I force it.
What time is what time is London for you? That's like,
Midnight.
how is it?
Yeah.
Holy, that's kind of late. I guess there's kind of a good move off London Open. Yeah. Yeah.
I just noticed, like, I feel like usually things will kind of like tank around London Open, at least recently.
Yeah.
Well, this is just going. I'm gonna exit. Should have held my short.
Oh, bro, if we can get these lows, I would love it. Let's see what kind of game TJR is spitting up on his stream.
Do you have Kick? Is that how you watch him?
I just go on Kick, yeah, on my browser.
Dude, that's funny. Hello? Trade T, you bugging?
Oh, man.
I'm gonna click long right here. I'm gonna get stopped out though. My stop is super tight.
News in 1 minute. Oh, we're dumpy. Oh,
Let me
I
rip.
saw. Oh, your stream's like barely delayed.
Oh, really? Yeah, did you see me just get my stop just get ripped?
Yeah, I saw the price on my screen. I like looked over to yours and nothing happened for like a solid 5 seconds until it like edged your stop.
It's gonna happen again. Dude, I wish I held that short. Oh, we might just. Oh my, I'd be so nice right now with that. Model?
I think
Were you longing model?
we get if we dump on news, dude, that's actually so good, I feel like.
How bearish is this news gonna be, you think?
We'll see right now.
Trying one more.
Oh, okay, ES took this low. We just haven't traded into the actual gap.
Yeah, Mal, that's sus. How do you think I should? Because I think people were having trouble on TikTok finding the live.
You streaming on TikTok or YouTube?
YouTube, but I want to do TikTok once I hit 500.
Oh.
Because I don't think I could post a link.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about the TikTok live.
I think it's like TikTok's way better at like pushing your live out to other people.
Yeah.
Bro, this like on the 5 minute though, we're kind of bottom of the range that we've been in since, so literally since yesterday after that huge pump.
Yeah.
That's a good candle. Dude, it's definitely like lowering my trading performance. This is not fun keeping track of 3 accounts.
Yeah. That would be annoying.
I need to set up copy trading. All right, let's make the TikTok. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I'm taking this long.
It's better not to. I'm just being stupid. Yeah, I think I'm out. Don't want to risk that.
On ES, it's pulling. It's like in a nice discount area, but I feel like if we go any low, okay, yeah.
We breaking this?
Yeah, I think we breaking it. We going
Oh,
to like
there we
close.
go. There we go. What sweet pre-market lows? Come on.
That's what I'm thinking.
That'd be so nice. We've been in this like tight range way too long.
Hmm. I don't know, because ES already swept a long time, like a while ago. We swept on ES pre-market. So now I'm like,
Looks like we're going though.
are we going lower, you know?
I'm really just pasting this entire link on here. I mean, like 5 people slid up yesterday and they're like, bro, I can't join. Like, I can't find you on YouTube.
Oh, they couldn't find the YouTube
Yeah.
lives?
Yeah.
Huh, that's funny.
I'm gonna heat up a quick coffee.
A nice little coffee.
Yeah. Be right back. Alright, literally nothing's happened.
Yeah, literally.
The model hasn't called anything either.
Even the model is indecisive.
Might be going up. That kind of looks good. Oh yeah, I was gonna say you should like film, record your like
Record my
XFA
screen.
screen if you enter a play. Yeah, that'd be cool. Or if you take a trade, I don't like.
Yeah,
I'll make it a post too.
right.
What are we dumping?
Shoot, I was gonna go short there. I just missed it.
That could have been a good short entry. I'm out. Dude, this PA is garbage. What is this? Let me do some reconnaissance. Hello, Claude? Why does it look where it looks like we're just range bound? I want to break lower. Did you hear that huge pump that I sent you yesterday was supposedly because like the war is
Trump
like,
ended the war. Yeah.
yeah, it just ended it real quick.
He's like, the war could be over soon.
I saw that candle and I knew it was like another like Trump Greenland pump
Yeah,
again.
a nice little news event.
Did I tell you I was long when that happened?
You were.
Like the Greenland one, it was like 400-point move in like 5 minutes. Do you remember that? I was in a stupid eval. I wish I was in my XFA. I was up like 4K from like one. Yeah, such a
That's
bummer, dude.
crazy.
Do you use a Forex factory?
Yeah. Some take a look at news. Honestly though, I feel like Top Step has it on the bottom a lot of the time. Bottom of the chart.
I was gonna. My funded futures has a really nice calendar.
Yeah.
They're not showing anything today. Oh my, are you kidding me? Are we long?
Oh, uh,
This could be your short entry if you're still wanting that.
yeah.
I probably shouldn't take any more trades right now, though.
What's the news on that?
Yo, why is my chat disabled? It should not be. That is not good.
Okay. See what happens.
Bro, are you for real right now?
See what happens on this candle. Could get interesting here.
Oh my god.
If we get this
Yeah.
close, if we get a nice bullish close on this could hit.
Oh, it called a short.
Oh,
I'm gonna get stopped out.
I called it.
Wait, are you on the stream? Is you can't talk in the chat?
Let me see. Wait. Yeah, I don't really see anywhere to go to the chat, to be honest.
So weird.
Well, it looks like we're getting that nice little move there.
I'll just kill myself. Got stopped out before that.
Dang. It's gonna pump.
Alright, I think chat's there. Alright, I'm gonna kill myself, chat. Are you kidding me?
I
Or
like
are you
long still.
kidding me?
I just want want that nice retrace.
100-point move. Got stopped out. It's long in both accounts.
Come on, give us that pullback. Give us that 5 minute.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm still looking short.
You're still short? Or that's still your bias?
I mean, yeah, just maybe mid-range short, but obviously, yeah, we could. I'm scared we hit like 83. Because what it's looking like is we're range bound until CPI.
Yeah.
Try one more small position. Oh, we're full flagging up.
Be full flagging on this.
Oh yeah, I might exit early.
I want a long here, but I just have to wait for a deeper pullback.
Right.
Just not quite comfortable, but we're just gonna pump, of course. So, you know.
Yeah, broke structure.
Classic.
Why is my P&L not showing on the other? Oh, it called out another short. Oh, I'm looking for one. That top section of this range.
Wow.
Might exit. This needs to happen quicker. it's not. Yeah, I just don't like it.
I'll record my screen. See if we can get.
Are you long?
Something.
If you inverse me, you'll do fine.
I'm just gonna inverse you like that one guy inverses Timmy.
Yeah, what do you say? Like, frick you for that guy that always inverses me on Instagram.
Yeah. When he won like that one banger, like he hit like that one long. Um, so funny.
I feel him.
Goodness, wow.
Alright, this account is gone.
What happened? Oh wait,
This account is cooked.
is that a funded?
I hope not. Let me check. No, we're good.
You didn't know if it was a funded or not.
Because it's my 25. It's just a 25K, so
Oh,
I have a pro funded, but this is just a eval. Because
okay.
the Lucid Pros aren't really that good because they have consistency, but you could pass them in one day.
Yeah.
That's why I'm trying to get a flex account for CPI.
Gosh, bro,
I'm still looking
this is,
for it.
I'm looking for the long entry, but it's looking like this might just push up.
All right, this one, my account's just cooked if this doesn't hit. And then we'll work on this other one.
Oh, ES is about to take opening high too. Shoot.
Do you check ES a lot?
I look at it when I'm like, just to see what it's doing, because if it's like about to hit, if it's closer to hitting a significant level than like NQ, it might make a difference in how I play it.
Yeah, that's fair. Oh yeah, ES is literally about to just destroy that high and break out of that range.
Oh, that long, dude, the long.
I'm so pissed. I was
The
literally
original,
long.
yeah. The original long would have hit so nice.
My Oh my gosh. Can't even see my chat for some reason. Dude, yeah, I need to start taking wider stop trades because I would have been fine on that long.
Yeah.
And I'm like not listening to like the research I just watched. Wider stops, quicker TPs. Oh, we're pumping up.
Well, yes, took that. Classic.
We might just be still filling that gap up.
Yeah, for sure. I think price is going to I think a good target is those highs at that high at 4 a.m. EST.
141.
Like 4 a.m. EST. So like 25, 145.
Yeah. Well, I definitely think we're gonna tap 80 right now. It's just what's gonna happen there. I think we might like wick just slightly past it just to like
Yeah.
get rid of some orders and then sweep down.
On ES, that same level was taken already, so it could be interesting. But yeah, here we go.
What an L, dude. Lesson learned.
That's a great move.
It's
It's a nice
just
big
been
move.
up too. It's only been up.
Oh, I need some stim, bro.
Is it still dark over there?
Oh yeah. We still got a couple hours.
Oh, did I tell you, like, did you see my clip? I ended up, like, getting some really good trades on my funded once we got off stream. Or once you did.
Wait, you mean yesterday?
Yeah, like, I ended my P&L on my Apex funded yesterday was, like, 700.
Oh yeah, I saw your like YouTube video. Oh yeah,
It
what did
was,
you take?
bro, Loki is just kind of like, well, it was that short on this, like, super quick short that was on
Yeah.
camera. That was good. And I just kind of took, like, a bunch of plays like that. It just, like, added up.
Right. Dude, this is
All right, moment of truth. What's it doing now? Okay, this would be the pivot if we are pivoting.
I want to take kind of want to take a little cheeky short, just like targeting the nearest unfilled 5 minute.
I would not do that because I'm in. I would not
Oh,
short
you?
because I'm in short.
Oh, you're in short, bro. How you
Dude,
take profits all the way down there?
I know I'm gonna get stopped out, dude.
Oh wait.
You could just put a resting limit cell right where my stop is to get a perfect entry.
Right where your stop is.
Yeah, and then you're
Classic.
chilling.
That's how it be working.
Oh, I'm out. I'm out. At least on this account.
Yeah, I feel like I can't short. If I do short, it's like if I shorten this strength, I'll just be like dreading it. I don't know.
Yeah, like me.
Pullback would be nice, but I'm getting to that point of the session where it's like,
Oh, that's like this was move of the session.
I know.
Bro, what are you watching? At least my Apex is up.
Your Apex funded.
Let me just put that up on here to make myself feel better. Yeah, my funded.
Dude, what is this move? Like, bro, it's cooked. The session's over.
Like, actually.
At this point, you might as well just get a random long entry and just hope for the best.
Dude, I'm even more. Dude, literally this same type of move just pissed me off yesterday because it's like just Trump's hitting us with like Diddy candles that just go straight up for no reason.
Yeah.
May as well blow this eval. May as well blow this eval or fully recover it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I'm still open to longs, but I just what kind of pullback would you have to see here? You know what I mean?
We've actually been straight up for the past 20
What,
minutes.
like
Whoa,
what
what
might
is
have
my chart? Oh, it just called a short, but like, I don't even think it. Has it been getting. It's gotten 2 out of 3 trades right today.
classic, bro?
Yeah, it's just pumping though.
This is just typical shelving higher, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Well, may as well double up right here. Just such terrible habits. Gosh, dude. As long as this content's like interesting, you know.
Yeah. As long as it's like funny or something.
Yeah, I just do it for the content. So like losing money is chill as long as it like is good content.
Yeah.
Actually, classic shelving. All right, yeah, I better get out of this.
Were you short there?
Of course. I think what it actually might do, either we shelf higher or we hit like 125 and then just tank. I just don't think like the move down will be as clean as the one up.
Yeah. No, for sure.
Because it's like everyone wants to short this, I bet, right now. And like, no way they're giving it that easy.
Everyone's just trying to top tick that.
Well, it's like, if we've kind of been shelving on the hourly.
Yeah.
Ready to break out. Because if we break out of this hourly range, or yeah, the higher time frame range, we're kind of, there's nothing in the way to like 25,500. Maybe a little bit at 25,250.
Yeah.
I just know we're pumping back.
classic.
Oh, there it is. Right above it, and then we're down. This is pretty much giving back like most of what I've made since streaming.
All good. Only way to go from here is to win.
The only way from here is up, but it's been up. It's only been up. That's the problem. Yeah, where do we stop? There's that level.
We literally don't. It's over.
What's the news? Israel not seeking endless war with Iran, says SAR. That was 10 minutes ago. Yeah, we're hitting, what was that, London high? Yeah, pre-market high.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm not even like, I don't even think it's like tilted to still like be looking for a short, but like
Yeah.
I
I
still
agree.
am.
I think like I think a short could definitely play. It would just be more of like a mean. It would be, of course, a mean reversion more type of play. Like it would be the trading the retracement, wouldn't you say? Like,
Yeah, for sure. Well, it's just like this PA for the last hour is manipulation. 100%. Like this displacement needs to have some balance after.
yeah. I mean, dude, at this point, we're going, yeah. NQ's already freaking about to take London, huh?
Yeah, pre-market high, for sure. I just
Dude,
need.
that would have been. Imagine if you were holding this long still. that's like a 200. That's like a 200 point trade almost.
I probably more. 250. 250 point long.
Yeah, cause your original entries were like at the bottom, very bottom.
Literally bottom ticked it.
Was the model telling you the long or no?
No, I don't think so. I'm pretty sure that was just me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Honestly, once there was the SMT at the low, and then we had the inversion, that was a good entry. Like that should have been my entry. That was like, that's what I like to see usually. Just don't know why I didn't take it. Just kind of like, just hesitated.
This is, I mean, like, who is expecting to move this clean after market open?
Yeah.
Like, that was terrible PA at open.
Oh man.
That was too tight.
Yeah, we're about to hit that.
We are pumping.
The best part is like I know if I go on Instagram and stuff, it's just gonna be like, if you guys did not take this trade.
Yeah, everyone's eating. If you didn't take this trade, you're retarded.
So what we had here is we, and then they,
Yeah, like they all act like it was
yeah,
like someone told them about it.
yeah, they all act like it was free.
Yeah. Dude, I love like the confidence in this space
It's so funny.
where like people are like acting as if they knew, like they know exactly what's happening at all
Oh
points.
no.
This is like the final short possibility.
I go put an Alani in the freezer.
All right. Look at this hourly candle, dude.
Such a nice hourly.
Yeah. Is it like, was I missing something? Was it that obvious? Well, I
Well,
didn't miss anything. I just got stopped.
no. Yeah, I don't know. How did you get stopped?
My stop was way too tight because I was eating a bunch of like paper cuts trying to catch the long, but that was
Yeah.
also because my stops were too tight.
Um, because here's the thing. So this is why this was actually a real SMT, I think. Because like I don't know if NQ did NQ take that low. Oh, I guess maybe it technically did. Anyways, but on ES it was like super obvious. Sucked below that like 830 low, and then we had that like initial pump.
Dude, I don't really know how to use SMTs, not gonna lie. Ugh.
I just look at like significant levels, and it's like okay, did this index take it, and this one didn't. It's like if just one of them did, then it's like, especially if ES took the low, but NQ didn't, then it's like okay, now I can start having bullish bias. Like if you trade that tap away, if you trade like off of sweeps like that, because you're like okay, like if ES already took it and we're seeing like displacement up, that's kind of like the idea I think,
Yeah.
but obviously there's no alpha there because everyone uses.
I
But at least
mean,
you don't need to be at least you don't need to be profitable to have a net positive expected value on returns from prop firms. You don't
yeah, that
have to
sounds
actually
good.
have you don't have to actually have um, positive expected value in trading in general.
Yeah, that's the only way to explain like how I've made money.
Yeah.
Well, this is probably the greatest long I've seen all year.
Thing is though, we could even be just going higher than these highs too, which like I mean seems not even unlikely at all.
Well, I think we literally broke out of
We broke out of this huge
the
range.
hourly range. Yeah.
Dude, yeah, this could be the start of like us getting back to all-time highs, you
Like,
know.
cover that. Yeah, if you exactly broke out of the hourly shelf.
I'm liking that. I actually might um add to my like long-term port.
Dude, actually, what is this crap? Like, I'm so bad at trading like clean PA, not gonna lie. Which like
That's an
sounds
interesting.
retarded, but
Yeah, no, I know what you mean. Dude, I mean, what kind of like for you to go long, like would you even go long anymore? Would you look for actual pullback, or you're kind of just like
I'll go long at 86 maybe because I expect a small pullback. But like days like these when we're just straight up, I like perform the worst because like it's just irrational in my mind to like just go straight up or pick one direction the entire session. But I mean, like, nothing's irrational with the price, I guess. All right, NQ. Now just give me that same 250 point move down, and it's chill.
Are we even worth to trade CPI, bro, if you're not trading the actual gamble move?
Oh yeah, wasn't like PA terrible last CPI? I didn't trade it.
Um, let's see. For PPI. I swear we just had this. The heck, all the news is gone.
Pullback for a long could be happening.
I like it. Oh, we're getting really nice and dumpy. Imagine if we just got a pullback right into the actual like middle of the range. We just get all the way back.
I think it might just stop here, not gonna lie. That would be so nice though.
Dude, that 15-minute, like, if we got all the way, if we tapped into this 15-minute gap, that could actually hit. Like, I would feel pretty good about that, but I just don't see a world where we get all the way down there. We're in this closest 5-minute right now.
See, like this move down looks too obvious, which makes me think it's a pullback just to go higher. And then maybe sweep the high again before going down.
Yeah.
Because if you look at before the move up, it did a double bottom and then started its way up to look like we are gonna dump. It's like, bro, NQ, it's like, I used to think, I'm like, bro, nah, this is like, I'm just, like, this literally just sounds schizophrenic. But, like, with the amount of people, the amount of eyes on NQ now, like, the algos have to be at least doing something like that.
Yeah. market makers gotta be they gotta be running that up.
Yeah, well, and it's not even like it's not like the what's driving that is like some psychological game, but like that would just be the result of the algorithms exploiting some
Yeah.
alpha.
Imagine though if we just like if this is just a liquidity sweep to go lower and we just get all the way back to opening low.
Dude, I'll buy jetties around a golf if I hit TP.
Are you guys playing today?
That's the plan. I won, but do I really deserve to?
I gotta make a trip out. Come see the boys hit a nice round of golf, even though I've never run it.
Dude, I feel like you'd like it. Some like goofy thing we'd be running up.
Yeah. Where do you guys play it? Where do you guys play?
We played Emerald, Rancho, and we want to play Goat Hill. That's soon.
Let's chill.
Are you gonna look for a long here? I think
Yeah.
30 more points, and that was where I was looking at for a long, possibly if we are higher.
Yeah. Um,
What the frick?
Honestly, at this point, I think we just gotta keep our trust in the model.
The model. I don't even think it called out a short like when things were shelving right here. I don't know about that. I think
The
I
model
called
like
out the
spits out
long.
the model almost spits out like it spits out like so many signals, huh? Like it gives you like how often does it spit out a signal? Like
It
pretty often,
does
yeah.
this new version. It's definitely a lot less. But yeah, it does a lot, especially during open, but like it slows down with like volume drying up later in the day.
Yeah. Oh,
But I gotta grab a
candle bar.
charger.
Look at that. You see that 1 minute candle?
Oh, we're back up, boys. Let's see how my streamers are doing. The guys I normally watch.
What guys are those?
I really only watch this one guy, JMK. He like blew up his funded yesterday.
JMK.
Yeah, I've like he's been streaming every day for like since November. I've seen him get like 20K in payouts. Oh yeah, he caught that long. I'll just kill myself. Did good for him. He locked in. Let's see the rest of the team.
What do you, when you say the team, do you mean the Eigenstate team?
Yeah,
He uses the model.
yeah.
Wait, JMK Trading Club?
Yeah. You on his live?
Let me see. Oh, okay, now I'm on.
Yeah, he's up like 1800.
Of course he caught that long. Does he trade a live account, not prop?
He has live, I think. Dude, I think he has all of them. He had like 5 XFAs he was copy trading. He copy
Yeah.
trades like, I've seen him copy trade like 10 accounts. It's insane.
Does he show like does he like market the model like on his stream or no?
No.
So he just doesn't show people that he uses it.
He'll bring it in sometimes, but like, yeah, I think like when he started using it, they didn't want you streaming it. Cause I mean, it is a paid tool. So like anyone watching this is getting it for free.
Oh yeah, that's true.
But like they're doing like a free trial. It might be going on right now. Pretty much like they're like they said I could stream the software because they need more exposure.
Yeah.
Wait, Loki, you should check that because they were telling me that we're doing a free trial for like 5 days.
I run it.
So you might have free access for a bit.
Bro, this could be the long here maybe.
Yeah, it looks like we're breaking higher.
This really could be the long here.
You're right, you're right. Oh my gosh.
Well, I'm cooked. I didn't enter, so classic. Learn it.
Dude, yeah, look at that energy. There's so much momentum.
I'm gonna scale down to the 30-second here.
That's actually that's like worse than putting it all on red.
I'm gonna go ahead and scale down to the 15-second.
All right, I'm gonna scale down to the 15-second for an entry.
All right, looks good. Looks like I just missed everything.
I mean, if we're up all day, you could buy at any point, right?
I could, but it's just like I wouldn't be happy with this entry here at this point. We're already like I don't know. Like we're I don't even know where I'd put my stop, you know.
But
What
also
would you
like
do?
I
What
was
would you do
thinking
on
we're
the
too
long?
much up when we were like 50 points up from the long.
Yeah.
All right, I'm full sending this trade for my this account because I only have like 200 more of drawdown and it's a 25k.
You only have 200 more drawdown.
Yeah, and it's just a 25k, so
Yeah.
who even cares? Let's get a sweep past 181.
All right. I may just run our super wide stop on this and just target like these next highs as draws, like on the higher time frame.
242, or what are you thinking?
I'm thinking 25 200, like 25 like 210. But I think ES didn't take it yet, huh? Um,
I mean, aside from missing every single good play, this PA has been really good. Like really clear the past hour.
yeah.
Somehow like played it in the worst possible manner though. It's like actually like takes skill to do that. Cause like, bro, literally my like sense of direction was like impressively bad.
Yeah, I'm in here. I'm in here long.
Yeah, I like it.
We're cooked. GG's, brothers. Just kidding. Oh, it actually might be though.
Dude, I gotta figure out why my chat's not live. Where's your
I'm
stop?
still at the bottom of the range. Oh, are you short?
Yeah.
Bro.
Wait, are you filming your screen? Because you're definitely gonna get a play here.
No, I'm gonna get stopped for sure. I'm cooked.
You gotta record that. Why isn't...
Oh man. Did you enter short right when I entered long pretty much?
No, I've been in shorts since that first top out.
Oh, really?
I've just been like sticking it.
That's funny.
Dude, it's not made for kids. And the chat's still not working.
Yeah, I'm getting stopped. We're going lower.
Maybe we're back up.
Nah, because we're about to inverse this 1 minute here. Then it's over. Yeah, I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel about this entry here. Probably have to go back and do some journaling on that, you know.
Yeah, I need a journal this whole sesh.
Because I was pretty at the end there, like I was already feeling like I should just get off. That entry was honestly a little bit forced. So is what it is. Yeah, I don't really like love this right now, so probably just gonna end up taking this grape.
Are you out? The model said long.
I'm not out, but I I'm gonna probably not take I'm gonna try to not take this whole loss here, this whole all of this risk. Um so probably just gonna end up taking this. Be about a $90 loss here.
Did you move stop to like 140?
I just moved it to this wick to the wick we just had.
You might be chilling.
I don't like this though, dude. Yeah, we're cooked. You just edged it.
Bro, you're chilling because I'm short. Remember?
You think?
I mean, your position's definitely like more favorable, I think. Like my setup's much more low probability.
Just liquidity though, you know.
Bro, no, I am.
I'm just liquidity here for sure. If we get strength here though, That could hit. Oh, GG's.
Dude, watch you get stopped out and then it's up though.
That'd be funny. That would be an interesting thing to see, but yeah, that was unfortunate. We're probably going to fill the 15-minute lower.
The 15.
I think we're going to fill the 15-minute gap.
Bro, hopefully.
Dude, this short could play actually.
But also, I've been like saying that for the past hour. Just been getting burned.
Yeah. It's funny because yeah, it looked like we were about to go higher, like break out again, and then we just didn't hit the high and rejected. Typical.
If we are down, then it would have played out exactly like on the way up with the double bottom.
Hold up, hold me back.
All right.
Well,
Good thing you got out. You would have been
yeah,
stopped now.
yeah, I would have been stopped about now.
I mean, I don't think you.
This is looking super good for shorts though. I might go short into the 15-minute here.
I think it could look. It could be nice with a wide stop.
But we could also just take this low and then instantly go higher. You know, like we could just sweep.
There's a decision right here. It's either, yeah, it pumps up or just drops, I think. I definitely don't think we hang out right here.
Ooh.
And it was a long. Dude, I saw some really good gold trades because a lot of people stream Asia session on TikTok trading gold.
Yeah.
This guy I watch a lot on his XFA, 4K, bro.
During Asia?
During Asia on a gold trade. Might be
So
the meta.
does gold move a lot during Asia?
I think that's like the best time to trade it. Let me check it. Hey, let me know if you'd be down. It's just like, it's a, I don't know about you, but like it's a kind of a hard time to like trade.
What, for Asia session?
Yeah, because that's like
Yeah, it's
5
like
p.m. ish.
yeah, it's like midday for me.
Yeah, exactly. Like it's kind of I'm usually doing something.
Yeah.
Dude, that might have just been a pullback. Dude, yeah, like gold has been trending. It's been trending pretty nice, and it's pumping right now. Like MGC on the 15-minute chart, it's been trending in an upward channel pretty much perfectly since
Yeah.
Sunday.
Y- You basically just top ticked shorts there, huh?
Yeah, it only took 30 tries and almost a blown eval.
Wait. Oh, you're gonna be up on the day then after this.
Um, it's not finished yet. Could just get stopped out. Dude, I wish silver was still like trading with the liquidity it had before. That's like before everyone started limiting silver trades.
Bro, silver contracts be worth so much.
Didn't you try
Like,
trading it a couple times and just get immediately locked out?
dude, yes, bro. I entered that micro silver thinking like, oh, this should be like pretty chill, right? Like, it like instantly went to like my daily max last
Yeah,
week.
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, literally, it's like you need to have. You gotta risk like if you want actual breathing room, you gotta risk like 500 per trade.
Yeah,
But that's how I like made
it's
three
crazy.
k in like 2 days on my XFA before cooking it.
Were those during London?
All those trades were late Asia session
Yeah.
because like for a little bit I was like really good with the PA on metals around like 9 p.m. my time.
Mm-hmm.
But then the like the volatility and liquidity like dried up so much.
It ain't like how it used to be no more.
Dude, not at all. Everyone's like trying to limit you to just
Yeah.
NQ.
You think that dude, I mean, bro, if I could find something to trade for I thought London session had more volume than Asia though, no?
I'm pretty sure it does.
Dude, if I could find something to trade for London session like every day that like moved good, I would just do that probably. Because for me now, that's like 10 p.m.
Yeah, but I think New York has the most volume.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, like I trade the best on New York too, but I would be inclined to switch up times. That would be pretty nice, you know,
A little late night.
if I found. Yeah, I mean, because now I think it might even be 9 p.m. with the time change for me.
Dude, it'd be hard to like
Then
go to
in New York,
bed for me.
yeah, true. But I feel like if I were, because I would just completely change my schedule, you know. So like, it's either like, do I go to bed at midnight and wake up at, do I go to bed at midnight and wake up at 7, or do I, you know, go to bed at freaking like 8 o'clock and wake up at 3:30?
Yeah. I feel like this schedule's like more like grind set.
Bro,
It's not. Yeah.
the 4:30 market open, because that's the thing. Hawaii doesn't change. Hawaii doesn't change with daylight saving, so the 4:30 a.m. wake up was like that was like doable, but it was pretty gnarly still. Um, Especially if I couldn't get to bed early. But dude, 3:30 is just like that's like 3:30 is like not real, you know?
Yeah, you're pretty much like doing night shifts.
Yeah, 3:30 is like not even real life anymore.
That's crazy, dude.
I don't even know why I'm still on, bro. I never win a trade past. I probably never really win a trade past like 11 EST.
I don't think I've ever seen you take a trade past. Do you just take one trade a day?
I try to, yeah. I'll sometimes give myself two. Like if I lose one and it was like not my full risk, of course, like if I didn't hit my daily loss, then like sometimes I'll go more, but I don't know.
I just stay on like based on the PA and like it's kind of just too good right now, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Like if we had that price action at open around like 11 a.m., I would not be on. That was
Yeah.
bad.
I think I'm gonna hit a Dawn Patrol surf.
Dude, stay safe out there. Hey, you ever hit Key Wallace? That's too
I
far, huh?
remember I remember when we surfed that on that trip. That was fun. Um, I haven't even surfed town. Dude, I haven't surfed town in forever. Like I don't go down there really ever at all.
You have a car, right?
Yeah, I have a car. I just don't have reason to go down there, and I don't really like to. It's just so busy. Like I just like the secluded, more chill vibe up here.
Yeah.
Used to go to Costco, but now I just have Instacart, so I just order it.
Oh, really?
So yeah. Oh, Long's playing out though.
Yeah, I should probably move my stop to this high.
Take one more stab at Longs here.
Like that's a
Frick, I'm
very
retarded.
strong candle.
Freak, I'm retarded.
Broke that range.
All right, I'm just gonna put my stop at the bottom of this candle here. TP is gonna be at that original level we talked about.
Yeah, I think that's a valid play. Stop
Could
is.
be a mad, could be a mad fake out here though.
Wait, where's your stop? Is that tight now?
My stop's so tight because I don't have much risk. My stop's like at the bottom of this candle.
Oh yeah, that's hella tight.
Oh my, dude, ES took that high though. Ah, we're cooked. We are cooked.
Are we having an SMT?
We're having an SMT, boys.
Isn't that good?
Yeah. No, it's bad. It's bearish SMT.
Oh,
Oh boy.
wait, but it might just be a pullback for the next leg higher.
Yeah, I'm hoping. But it looks like I'm gonna get stopped for my full risk on the day. If you know what I mean. Holy. Order
150.
filled. I just can't wait to hear that order filled right now and just get me full stopped, you know?
Do you keep your audio on?
Here it comes. Are you ready? Order filled.
Well, you might be saved.
Yep. Account is temporarily deactivated. Your daily loss limit.
Bro. I would have hit
Finally.
that so early.
Oh, now we're pumping. Okay, so I was liquidity.
Alright, that's a clip.
That's actually gonna hit on the YouTube.
That's pretty solid, bro. Alright, I was liquidity. Now we're pumping.
Yeah, so I was clear of liquidity, so we're pumping now. I guess so. We're gonna have a few things to take away from the session. Of course, I'm gonna probably journal that later.
Hey, bro, at least you're not like blowing up an account.
I know. I feel like I'm just trying to make this account last as long as I can, but it's not looking too hot right now. I'm in the deepest drawdown I've been.
Bro, it's genuinely
On it.
impressive how long you've had that.
Yeah, it's funny too because I have 4 winning days, so it's like what's stopping me from just full porting and trying to get a max payout? Like genuinely what's stopping me, you know?
I know what you mean. Yeah, because there's no consistency on Top Step, right?
Yeah. I tried explaining that to someone. Like, I don't know if it was like Michael or Braden. I was trying to explain to them I'm like technically if I were to just full port right now, I would I would just make like I would just make the money that I made, right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
I could take out half of that of the balance that I would have.
Dude, I think you were telling me how it's like you try explaining this to anyone and it sounds like a scam. It's so funny.
So
It's
true.
so true. Like, you tell anyone, they're just so skeptical.
Yeah, it's like so basically I'm not risking my own capital day to day, but like I have the upside potential of like making money.
So
But
pretty
it's
much
just
like they give me 50K. And
the
then the
best part
first
is though,
question is, so just take out the 50K.
yeah. The best part though is like when you tell them about like the funded part, I almost a lot of times now I won't even tell them that it's simulated still because if you tell them that you have to pass the evaluation, but then they give you another fake money account, and then
Yeah.
they're like, you have another fake money account, so
Yeah.
how are you getting money?
I had to explain. I was just explaining this yesterday, because I mean the first question's like, how is the firm not losing money? I'm like, oh, because the first test is simulated.
Yeah.
As soon as you say simulated, you just lose everyone.
Yeah, I'm debating just going live at this point, bro.
I
Or
have
even just actually. Do you have a live account?
I have like a couple hundred in a Ninja Trader account. But
Yeah.
I tried buying an MNQ and it wasn't enough capital.
Oh, really? I think Weeble lets you somehow buy. I don't. Maybe it might be one ES. It might be one micro ES you can buy on Weeble with $100, I think. I don't know. But that would make sense because ES is worth less. So maybe MQ you couldn't. But
You ever trade MES?
I used to trade ME. I used to trade. Yeah, I used to trade ES more than the NAS.
The good old days.
So that's what I used to mainly run, and then I don't even know when I switched. I think I just switched like everybody trades the NAS, and the candles were looking like way cleaner during. I used to trade like overnight to pass evals. I would just like basically like set my take profit and set my stop, and then go to bed, and then wake up in the morning.
Either wake up to a blown account or a past one.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's pretty much what I
But I
did
think the
last night.
oh, nice, bro. Now we're yeah. So I was liquidity nice. Yeah, dude. That's interesting day.
I used to take it so personally. Like, bro, like getting stopped out on this long before ripping would have ruined my day. Until I started watching people stream and I'm like, oh, that happens. Like, that's literally everyone, like, that happens to
Yeah,
everyone.
yeah. I think of course like a big part is like how much like you associate yourself with. Yeah, like you have to learn to like not associate yourself with your losses or your wins too. It's like I know what you mean. Like sometimes
Yeah.
almost big losing days. Like you go throughout your day and you're just like you like see the world in like a negative light.
Yeah, you see the world with, like, negative P&L.
Yeah, and you like almost like you think everything's out to get you in a sense, or like yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, like, the world is just trying to, like, stop hunt you.
Yeah, I think just when I used to size up too much too, that was like it was worse because you probably agree with this too, right? Like when you're oversizing and just kind of like not focusing on the process as much,
Oh,
and then
yeah,
you lose,
for sure.
then that's when you're like that really messes with you. But I feel like when you're, you know, just kind of following your process, and then you just end up taking losing day, it's like whatever, it's just another day, you know. But
Yeah, it's like if you followed everything and you know you have at least an expectancy of zero, like how can you be mad?
yeah,
So much easier said than done, though.
yeah, for real. Especially like when you like have attachment to, I don't know, when you like are scared or like your fear level of like losing money or like losing the account is like very high, and like you associate that um with like your worth or something, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, or if like you already like the night before you're like thinking of like even just visualizing a winning day is like kind of bad for me.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. You just have to be just literally okay with like whatever happens. I don't know. That's what I'm trying to do right now, is just focus on the execution and like if it works, go back and see like what went right. But of course, the market's just probabilities, right? So like
Yeah,
you can't always just be like, oh, well, like I obviously did this wrong here. It's like,
exactly.
the market just does what it does, right? Like,
Yeah, it's never that
so
simple. That's like why too. I think it's so good that like streams publicly document everything.
yeah,
I think it's like worse to have like a winning day where you're just being too gambly with it, even than taking a loss, like a controlled loss day.
yeah, for sure, long term, you know. Because when you get I mean, it's like the same in anything. It's like when you start trading, like pennies or options. It's like, I mean, I remember like when I bought a freaking Nvidia call one day because there was some news, and I wake up the next morning and I'm like up, like freaking, like 500%,
Yeah,
you know, and you just think
yeah,
that you like broke the code or something.
yeah. You think you're out of the matrix?
Yeah. Um. So
Dude, the feeling of options, getting your first out of the money options call printed is like it's underplayed, like how bad that is for your mental, and like how just working or making any money afterwards just ruins it.
oh, so cooked.
Because you're like
Like
this full
hand.
8 hour shift, like
Yeah.
with one out of the money call printing, like could make that in minutes.
Like handles was not hitting after that.
Now the whole time you're just thinking about like the next alpha play.
Yeah. Those were good times though, bro. Like like the ignorance is bliss is real in that sense, and like um those were good times, you know. But
Yeah, because it
also,
didn't really count as gambling.
I know it's just like just called being a kid, you
Yeah,
know.
exactly. It's called like just figuring things out.
Um, but I still remember when we were like on the Hawaii trip, and like around that time we were like checking CEI all the time, and like I was in. That was funny.
Were we in plays? I think I was in CEI in Hawaii. Were you trading
Yeah,
then?
I think I feel like that's like when you got me into like I don't know if it was on the trip or just around that time, but I just remember like I remember us like talking about it a lot, and I think you were in CI during Hawaii during that trip.
I just remember we were like heading over to like surf like bowls or something, and I was explaining this to Brandon, and he was just like,
He was low key pissed. He was like,
"Huh?
"This
Wait,
is
really?"
so."
But like, so do you like own the company? Like, but why are you buying it, dude? Funniest moment is when I explained an NFT to him. so so
So
good.
it's a non-fungible token. So basically,
Yeah, he's like, but I could just like print that out. I could like just download like the image.
he's so funny, bro. Bro, he is like the perfect. He is like the perfect brain for like what he does for
Yeah.
investment banking. You know.
Yeah, he's gonna like just like if it's not on the chart, it's like not a factor in the decision.
Yeah.
What is this perfect range? It kind of looks like a bull flag and then just break to the upside on the 1 minute. You might have been liquidity.
Sure I was.
Yeah, I think we're loading up. I should probably get out.
And I just want to leave like my balance in my max. Like I want to leave like my balance and like loss limit and all that, or like my full drawdown amount like just blurred out so like it's not getting in my head, you know?
That could help for some people.
Like I almost just want to like turn off dollar amounts.
Dude, I was
I don't
thinking
know.
of doing that, like just points, but I was doing that for a little bit. But it's good
Yeah.
if you're doing it on a funded,
Hmm.
but for eval, gotta have the dollars.
You should do the math in your head like of the points like with your
That's the
dollar
thing.
limit.
I'll just do like, I'll calculate it anyways. So it kind of defeats the purpose of the mental.
Yeah, true. I guess you. Yeah, true. I know. But I guess it'll take away that factor of like you seeing the dollar amount like fluctuating on the position so much. It'll just be like in points. So I don't know.
I tried doing that when I was trading silver, and then it just ended up being like me the whole time just calculating my P&L like
Yeah,
in my head.
yeah, bro. I gotta go back and and like review this opening move.
Like the two plays you took?
Well, I gotta review like why I didn't enter on the main leg, right?
The
Because that
main
was such
long?
a that was yeah, because that was like a good trade, and then also I gotta go back and look at my entries for for these other longs. I don't feel like too bad about them, but I just feel like I could have had more confidence. Like it was kind of just like, all right, like we pulled back, like we're showing strength. Enter.
Bro, honestly, like this is what I've kind of been realizing with a lot of my trades, so I wouldn't like I'm not saying this is why, but at least for me a lot of the times like confluences, bias, everything was right. Just like ATR was too high, volatility was too high, so like the static stop I use just isn't good for this current like market regime. I don't know if that's your case though. Like that was the case for my long. My stop was just too tight.
Makes sense. I think I think the main thing I went wrong here is like remember when I was saying I would like to see a pullback into the 15 minute? Like
Yeah.
I don't know. Of course it could have played out, right? These small pullback the initial small pullback play of course could have played, but I should have just stuck to my initial idea because I think we're heading there.
Like you wanted more confirmation and like
I wanted it
this gap.
yeah, I wanted it to pull back and just tap that 15-minute gap and then go higher.
How do you know like where to enter in this gap? Because I never understood that. Because like if I'm mapping out this gap correctly, like this
Yeah,
is
it's like
like,
big.
yeah, this is 100 points. So how do you know?
Just wait for it to go in and come out, bro.
Okay, so you wait for it to tap into the gap, and then the 15-minute candle that closes outside of the gap, you enter.
Yeah, but usually I would try to take like an inverse, like I would try to enter on like an inverse gap. So like tap into the 15 minute, right? Ideally we get close to the middle of the range.
Yeah.
Obviously just because it's a 15-minute gap, it's not like some magical thing, right? It's just like I don't know, it's just like a general
Well, it's like macro
thing.
enough.
Yeah, it's just like a general area in the range where it's I would feel comfortable like, you know, seeing a solid retracement. So like tap in ideally close to like CE of the gap, that'd be sick, and then like come out of it and close out of it like with an inverse, like an inverse on the lower time frame. That would be sick.
Yeah,
And
it's
then
funny,
lower.
like, because that idea is essentially how the model determines entries through cumulative delta, but the
Oh, it uses delta.
discretionary
It uses
way.
delta.
Yeah, pretty much that's how it works just mathematically, but the discretionary take is kind of, yeah, playing off inverse gaps.
Delta like the Greek, like the same thing.
Yeah, like just the difference, the influx of buyers versus sellers in a certain candle. There's that level I marked out. This would be where I'd be looking for my long.
Yeah, see, look, it's tapping the 15-minute.
Look at this line I marked out. No way it
That's
just.
the
Do you see that on
that line you
stream?
marked. Yeah, the line you marked is literally the beginning of the 15-minute gap that I marked.
No way we perfectly bounce off this.
Bro, you're still short.
No, but like, look at this. This would be my long entry, so I'm torn.
I know,
Oh,
too bad that's not enough funded, am I right?
yeah, for real.
Went from
Oh, I think we keep going. This would have
I
like
think I think
pulled
we go
up
low.
quicker.
I think we go lower to like hard to say. I do think we go lower into the gap though. I think we go close to like consequent encroachment.
I don't even know what that means.
It's just like some stupid SMC term.
Yeah, we're
Smart money
past.
concept.
Smart money concept.
Smart money concept. It represents the 50% midpoint of a price imbalance, such as a fair value gap.
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
Yeah, it's honestly all fake terms anyways, probably. If we're being real.
Keep going down.
Yeah, dude, honestly, that would have been such a good short entry on that. Um, the SMT there with the on ES. Like that should have been a solid entry, dude. Like I should have been I literally entered right at that bearish SMT. I went long there, so that was well, I'm locked out. So like nothing I can do. Um
Is this slower?
I'm gonna, I'm gonna go surf. Um, because I got class from 9 to 7 today,
Okay. Dude,
bro.
yeah, good stuff.
Yeah, I'll have to. Hopefully the rest of the week goes well. Dude, I don't know what to do about tomorrow though, because CPI. Like, I just don't even know if it's worth the trade or not.
What time is that going to be happening?
Doesn't it usually come out? Uh, um, I want to say it comes out at an hour before open. Yes.
Dude, I should be up early. When are you going to
An
be
hour
on, you
before
think?
open. Well, um, I'm probably not gonna trade actual CPI, but like I'll trade the move after maybe.
Stop that.
Um, yeah,
Dude,
I
that
don't
would
know
look
though.
at this. Look at my chart, dude.
Um,
Our original thesis was spot on. Tapped into the 15-minute gap. Inverse back up, and this is the line I marked out because it was a sweep from the previous high. Oh my gosh.
wait, how do the evals work with what is that? Lucid? Is that your Lucid eval you're
Yeah.
doing? You have to hit. It's a 25K. So you have to hit $1,500 profit to get it funded.
Yeah, I usually no wait. It might be 1250. Let me check.
Dude, look at that strength out of the gap.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's
Dude, it just
1250. So I aim for 625 uh
yeah.
for 2 days if I want it. I did take that long on my funded
You're in long funded. Nice.
at 93.
Yeah, I'll be curious to see what happens with that. Oh my
I,
gosh.
I
Yeah,
think I'm out.
that is dude, that is a nice projection there though. It did like
Whoa.
barely tap. It did like barely tap though, so it's like a little suspect. All right. God, today's gonna be a long day. I can tell you that much. Do
All
you have
right.
stat classes when you were in school?
Stats class?
Just like just stack classes. Like I only have class Tuesday, Thursday,
Oh yeah, yeah. It's so nice that way though.
but I have class from 9:30 in the morning to 7 at night.
Okay, I was never doing it that much. That is ridiculous. No
Dang,
way you're
this
paying
launch pad
attention.
is so nice. Yeah, no, this is solid. It's funny. This is exactly my original thesis.
Yeah.
It's so funny, dude. If I would have just stuck to my, whatever.
Hey, there's tomorrow. I'll be on like I'll set this all up way earlier.
Yeah, I'll most likely be on a open, cause like why not? I just gotta start waking up at the same time every day, or else I'm gonna start my body's just gonna be cooked. So, um, wait, why is your stream? Oh, I'm not on your live. That's why. I was watching the delayed stream.
Uh,
I thought it was still pumping. I was like, what?
yeah, if it keeps falling behind, if you put it on ×2 speed, it stays up to the most recent time.
Yeah, wait, why does it fall behind right away? That's weird.
I don't know why it does it, but it's low key annoying.
All right, yeah, sounds good. Well, we will be running it tomorrow then, CPA.
Yes, sir. All right,
Okay,
I'll let
sounds
you
good.
go.
I'll see you
GG.
later, brother.
Still kind of short biased on this. We did tap that gap though perfectly. If we hit this top of the range again, I'll look for another short. So I think on higher time frame we still are overextended. Try a small scalp right here. If we get stopped out, it's no biggie. And I'll look at this level again. Just set that pretty tight. So I won't be surprised if we just kind of explode higher, but in case there is abrupt weakness, yep, there it is. No call outs from the model in a minute too, so not sure what that's about. Wow, that is really strong. Wow. This is close to the level I wanted to short. Set a wide stop. Oops. Did you make a play on that crazy up on slightly to the left? Dude, no. I got stopped out right before the move happened. I'm so bummed out. If you go back earlier to the stream, I was in right here and I got stopped out right here. My stop was too tight. And this was like a 300-point move up. And yeah, that would have been like at least 600 instead. I kept trying to catch the top tick on it on the way up and just kept like taking a bunch of small losses. And I just now kind of recovered from getting a top tick short down here and covering around here. And I'm still kind of short biased just on the overall day after that nearly like straight move up for like an hour. And we have CPI tomorrow, which is some pretty big news. So I think the market might be waiting on that to make a big move some in either direction. So that's why it's kind of, we've just been ranging in this zone for like the past like 24 hours. I guess more like, I don't know, like 16, but yeah, it's funny. Me and Logan marked out this level right here. I don't know if you were on the stream earlier. It just it bounced perfectly off of it. But I got a small long on it, but we should have played it better. So kind of pissed about that. That is a lot of weakness. Also, the model Loki hasn't been. This was a good long right here, but it hasn't really been making too many callouts because we made some changes to it recently. Which one's my stop loss? The yellow line. So I'm short right now, so the one at 178. The red line's my position where I entered in at. I think earlier in the session, my stops were too tight, so I missed a lot of these plays, and Logan got stopped out right before this move too and this long too, so it's just kind of the price action's been kind of stop hunting. Because I mean, otherwise, it's been pretty clean, like a nearly constant displacement to the upside, and that's just near top of the range of where it's been trending for a while. And I mean, you could see there's like a perfect channel trending down right now. Which one is stop hunting? Like that market knows to do that. Yeah, the algos know because there's resting orders on these like obvious levels. So there'll be just like big wicks that just sweep those levels real quick and then continue in the other direction. It's just like a, I mean, think about it, if you're like a big firm, it's like a really easy way to make quick and low risk money at a high frequency. And if you have like even a 1 millisecond edge because you're physically closer to like the exchange, let's say, then I mean, you could make all your profit just alone on that, on those types of plays. Yeah. Usually like stop hunting is more active on lower volume days. Like when liquidity is higher, there's not really enough alpha to exploit off that type of that. Yeah, see, that move up was crazy. If this goes down, I wouldn't be surprised because like, see, we're trending and this was an extremely quick wick to the upside, most likely because a bunch of shorts had resting stops right here. And like when shorts have to cover, they buy the contract back, decreases the supply, so the price goes up because there's more demand. So that would explain the extremely like quick displacement upwards, and then it's still settled back down where like the usual level would be. That's kind of like why I emphasize putting your stop in like less obvious levels, but it's easier said than done because there's more risk on the table when you have to do that. But usually that's like a pretty easy way to avoid that issue. They don't want you little bros making money. Pretty much. Yeah, it's there's no point in even trying to like compete with moves like that. I mean, I guess if you're smart, like you can take advantage and have a resting short limit sell right here, and that would be like a really good fill if it got you. I don't know. Market's too random to be a retail trader and building your strategy off algos that you're not fully aware of. Just my opinion. Yeah, they don't want Logan making money, so they stop hunted him before the move happened. Model just called a short here. I don't know why that's. Yeah, I mean, this is ridiculous. Literally exactly hits this channel line. Yeah, I don't know. It seems like fake like astrology, but sometimes the market just obeys like expected decisions when people want low risk. So, like pre CPI or high impact news. Well, speaking of, I think we might break to the upside right now, but like pretty predictable ranging is common. Probably worth exiting here, but I'll let the trade play out for some content. Yeah, if we break this channel, I'm I'm pretty bullish. We've just been in it so long, and generally speaking, the longer you coil in a channel, the greater the extension will be afterwards. So I wouldn't be surprised if the next bullish move lasts up till 25 244. I mean that's not that ambitious. It's about 80 points. That's like a third of the move that we just did. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see the break. We really not getting this? I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced we're back down that easily. It'd be nice though, but Yeah. This a strong displacement candle out of the range channel. I'm sensing it. And I think that's it. I'll be back in 1 minute. There's the displacement candle. It's honestly weaker than what I was expecting. I'm not even fully convinced we're going all the way up. Might test this high, but I'll be looking for another short. Oh, there it is. My stop was probably just too tight, even after everything I just explained. Or we could be a fake out, and then longs are in control. The model did call out a short though. see how the model's been performing, speaking of. Not fantastic. Yeah, maybe I should be inversing the model right now. Might add a contract here. I want to see confirmation though. Ideally, we play into that gap, but this could just be a nice pullback for longs. That was a good short called out by the model. Looks like it's going. To cover this. Might cover some here. Yeah, it was a good long entry. I'm out here. Might go lower, but just wanted to be safe. This is getting pretty volatile. Yeah, this is why I wanted to cover. These dips just keep getting bought up. it's a great range if you're a range trader, though, I will say. All right. I want a short. Very tight stop here. Because that was a lot of strength. It's very likely we'll just push much higher. But if we're gonna stay in this range, I'll gladly play it. Again, though, based on that strength to the upside, and we've kind of broken this downtrending range, it's likely we could be continuing up now. It's later into the session though, so it would have to happen soon. I think we're shelving and going higher. I might close my position. Uh, was that? Never mind. This is the push, possibly. We're just hanging around here too long. All right. Direction has been made, it looks like. I could see this happening the rest of the session. If I can get something to draw with. Okay. That's not right. Yeah, something like this for the rest of the session. So, probably back down here a little bit. Maybe slow grind up. But I think that's going to be it for today's stream. Stay safe for CPI tomorrow. Don't overtrade like me. And yeah, I'll catch you guys